With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
All right, good afternoon. Stocks just closed. Dow up big, CPI in the morning. Dow up, about 376 today. What's up, the bone broth? Just wanted to get my thoughts on recording here with what's going on with crypto. We did some trades the last few days, so wanted to discuss that. Could wait for a few more viewers, but we'll see here for a few seconds. Want to keep it moving. So again, CPI in the morning should be a market moving result. What's up, Chris? The bone broth. Let me give you a wrench. How you doing, Chris? Thanks for the support. So in front of us, we got the SPY. I did give a buy signal out on the SPY ETF to pro traders. Also mentioned it over the weekend to Twitter, etc. But technometer at 38 is oversold. We're around 38.6. So I thought we'd get a little bit deeper maybe on Friday, and we didn't. And today we're strong up. So that could have been the rally to new highs already started here for a new rally to the high of on February 2nd. But definitely tomorrow is going to make a difference. What's up, Chris? So we'll watch that. But again, we just got really close to a buy signal on the 10th. Strong up day today. I do on the SPY ETF. Still on a few various stocks I've talked about. Chevron, Arthur J. Gallagher, Iridium, CRM, Cisco. So if we look at a few other things here, DIA, let's stay with stocks here for a minute until we get a few more people in here. DIA, the Dow Jones ETF, you can see we did get the buy here on the 9th, and that caught the low exactly. So we've had two strong days. We're back above the recent highs, basically. So that technometer did work. And QQQ, you see we did also got a technometer 40.1. Again, not down below 38, so we wasn't deeply oversold, but near oversold. So that's why I was leaning that we're going to work higher. What's up, IC? So let's go to the cryptos, what most people want to look at here. Here's Bitcoin, USD, Coinbase. Let's go to the 6-month chart, so it shows a little bit more here, a little bit more of the Wyckoff markings. Oversold technometers did get us a low on the November 8th and December 18th. December 21st is when we bought some Ethereum. We bought Bitcoin when it broke down to this level around 18.3. What was going to be a spring, it got a little deeper. I call it a shakeout now. What's up, Anime? And then I did all this on social media. I did it actually here as well. We gave a sell at 22,650 on Bitcoin, looking for some type of backing and filling. We finally did get that today. We did repurchase Bitcoin today. Not going to give exact details, but we bought it lower than where we're at now. And I'm not going to give stop levels, etc. But again, we think this backup or what could be a spring on a shorter level, shorter time frame could be good. But I expect some type of bounce. Oversold, we never got really below 41.6 today. but I just feel like that maybe we're a little bit sold out. We had the news on Binance today, BUSD coin. Looks like that brought in some selling. So we use that as a chance to purchase. Here's Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum Tether Binance chart. I'll take that back. Let's look at Ethereum USD Coinbase. I got this one marked up. So here's the Ethereum chart. As you know, at the Discord, patreon.com, patreon.com/learncrypto is the $40 a month paid Discord. We gave the buy on December 21st. That was at 1186. We held that up till we sold that at 1554. And we also was long some other Ethereum at 1350, I believe it was. We sold that up there at 1656 or so. We did buy that back Friday at 1496, so we got $10 loss in Ethereum. But again here, we think that's spring or backup. You can see lower right, we did get the oversold technometer on the 9th and 10th. And today, and actually on the 11th, we got down to 35.6. That's very good for oversold on Ethereum. So we think Ethereum will turn higher here as well. Let's look at BNB Tether Binance. We gave a sell there at 318 recently, as the red arrow shows. We was oversold here on BNB on the 8th, but we did not get oversold on the other coins as I had mentioned you, so we waited. We did buy BNB today at a lower price than where we're at now. So again, BNB, you see lower right, extremely oversold. Currently 36.98 on the technometer, 50's overbought, 38's oversold. So BNB again, I think BNB is going to bounce here. So we shall see that. What's up, Greg? You're welcome. So we've got a lot of things repurchased. Nick traded some Floki 25% positions. I don't have those marked on my chart right now. We'll go over those next time probably. But he might also mention it here. He's talking under the Wyckoff SMI gold label. And he traded out of Floki. He traded Cody. What else did you have in there, Nick? I'll let him mention those here if he gets a chance. But again, stocks still look higher. Tomorrow morning could be interesting with the CPI. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, now we expect those to work higher. We're going to go to some other wave that I do put on the crypto charts, even though I own WyckoffSMI.com. The original institute started by Mr. Wyckoff in 1931. I took that over after graduating from 1982. Big house, I will go back here. But here's the count. I was looking for wave 4s to get mopped up on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I think that probably happened today. Could happen tomorrow. So I still think we're going to work higher here. That's the Bitcoin chart. Whether it's wave 5 starting or whether it's a B wave up to 24,000 or 25,000, I'm not sure it matters at the moment. I'm comfortable giving a buy here and looking for higher. Same thing on Ethereum USDT. I gave the buy because I thought maybe the spring could have been over with Friday. We did get a much better looking one today. So again, I still think it's a wave 4. I still think we're headed higher some way, some form or fashion. There's Nick talking about Floki. Some sells we made a few weeks ago when we was bearish on social media, bearish in our Patreon, bearish on YouTube, etc. So we got some nice buybacks, much lower. Patreon.com/learncrypto, $40 a month, cheap $40 to get trade stops, take profits, etc. So let's go back to a few crypto charts then. ADA, Big House, I think, asked about. ADA, Tether, Binance. You see technometer, Big House, 38.1. 38's considered oversold, so we're right there. Probably was below that during the day. I did not catch that one. But I'd have no problem with ADA here as well. Again, as these other charts, I probably would throw a support line in here, call today's action a spring of that support. And a lot of people with Wyckoff will buy springs and uptrends and sell up thrusts and downtrends. You also will see here that I'm going to mark real quick. The OP is 5-minute volume during the day, posted at the end of the day. You can see that hit a new low today, which means selling continues to come in. But you can see price is holding at much higher levels. Normally when you get, everyone knows this from me, normally if you get new lows in an OP, whether it's over a few days or a few weeks or a few months, you're going to get selling has came in, somebody has supported ADA off the lows, and now we're oversold in the technometer. That's normally ripe for some type of buy. So again, I'd look for ADA to try to dig in here as well. Last time we was oversold was on that big down bar there. I'll mark that on the chart. And again, 38.1, we're right at oversold, so we'd probably go ahead and mark a green circle today as well. Save that. What's up, Bob? Natural gas. I will show that because I do have some clients trading natural gas in a pretty big fashion. Here we are in natural gas. I will say I think there was a buy signal from, what was it again? Now I lost my train of thought on UNG. We had a buy signal coming from, can't think of the name of it again. I mean, for me on natural gas, I would have had it oversold somewhat at the lows, but we're neutral now. OP and price are moving together. I personally cannot give a buy on natural gas, but I do think, I know I was, Tom DeMark, I believe, was looking, he gave a sell at the highs. I think he was looking to give a buy at the lows. I'm not sure if he caught that. I like DeMark's 13 count countdown, I believe it's called. So I think, again, he's looking for a UNG natural gas to turn higher. This is the UNG ETF. So I would check that out. If DeMark is on a buy, I think you probably would want to jump in the pool there and take a little bit of risk. I do have Boyle as well. That's the double. It's not on my charting service. I do have to add that. I've got it on my charts, on my quote list. That's the double. That thing moves 10% a day. Easily, it seems like. Be ready to be careful if you're trading Boyle. Here's Gala, 39.4 in the technometer. Again, big volume coming in off the lows, nice green bars, large spread. Low volume on the pullbacks here. Yesterday we were at 38, so again, I'm going to have it on there. So if Ocon MX comes back, ask again. We'll see what it looks like. But we were definitely oversold yesterday. You're getting a cheaper price today with the general drawdown. Can't say much on OP and price. There's no real divergences. You're back what looks like previous support at wave 3, which is 0.0385. So we're nearing a previous wave 5. Personally, I think, see if I can show that here. That's not what I wanted to show, but that's good enough for right now. I think we're doing an ABC in some of these. So again, we could work higher and this will come down again in a week. But I think we're having some type of ABC pullback in most of these coins. And we're mopping that up now, or we're getting close to it. So take a look at that. Let me save this. We'll go back to Zen, Ron. Here is Zen Tether Binance. I think probably the main exchange for Zen. We had the big volume bar there Saturday. I had shown this, I think, when we talked last time I was live, I believe. We had this new low in the OP, price holding higher. That helped catapult us higher once the volume came in off the news that it had. Technometer 47.8, not much to add. I would think that thing will continue to try to work higher. RNDR is one that I mentioned to my Discord. I showed the chart. RNDR Tether Binance. Hold on, let me bring that up. We was nearing its previous fourth as well. I think I showed that really on this red bar day on the 8th. Technometer was only 41.2, but I think that chart looks pretty well. You can tell it looks like a jump and a backup. So I think RNDR probably definitely had a big run and a big pullback, but I think that one could be interesting here as well. FTM, Tether Binance, 6-month chart. You can see here, same type of thing, jump and a backup. Technometer did come down to 39.5, not below 38. That's pretty good though, considering. Back to previous resistance. Same thing, I would think that's okay with the buybacks we've done in the other coins. Anybody just coming in here, we did buy back. You can tell there, Nick posted Coty, SOL, Floki. I bought back Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB. So some type of rally here I'm expecting. Again, if we go back, Wyckoff markings I had on those charts, now this is Elliott wave. So I think a wave 4 maybe is ending here. Again, it could morph into something different if I don't have these labels correctly. I usually use Wyckoff for entry, then try to throw a little bit of Elliott wave for some type of possible roadmap to see what possibly could work as higher. So let me run a disclaimer. I am a registered investment advisor. We do manage crypto assets. For people with trading APIs, we manage stock assets at Charles Schwab. So my regulators, let me run this disclaimer real quick. Do your own research.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
All right. Carrie's in here. What's up? So, hey, what's going on, Ram? Just saw you, Jeremy. I did cover RNDR, Jeremy, for you. What's up? I do.
Hey, how you doing?
Haven't been using my sounds recently, but I think from here,
Bye!
with the things we bought today,
I'm rich, bitch!
I think we'll make some money. So let's see how that works. If no one has any more requests on stocks or crypto, as always, probably going to slide out of here. Will silver go over $30 in our lifetime? I would say no. I don't believe so. If we go to GDX, I was bullish on GDX down at the lows. Had a hard time trading it. I thought we was doing some accumulation down there. Get that chart a little bit cleaner. I do, we're at 37.8 on the technometer today. So again, probably some type of bounce here. That could be the first 5 waves down off the high. So if you're bullish, you could maybe nibble here. Nibble after the CPI report. See what happens. But I've not ever been a real big fan of precious metals. But again, they're oversold here. We could get a bounce. That could be an A down. We get a B up to 32, then come down to 28 later, would be my kind of guess. Because UUP, if I bring up the UUP chart, this is what I showed the other day. So I think we're in an ABC down and then back to new highs. So as we come down here for a week, precious metals could rally, and then UUP rallies, metals come back down. Then you get the dollar to collapse, you get crypto to take off, and you get the metals to rally. So that's what I'm thinking there. DKNG, the 1 year chart, I did have what I thought was some accumulation here. Has been trading a little bit weird, so I can't say much on DKNG. Technometer's neutral at 44. I would think this is some type of spring, as most of these stocks look like, and that can try to work higher, but not one of my favorite ones. What's up, Chemo? So if you like silver, again, maybe from here it does try to work higher. On U, that one's had some pretty big volatility off the bottom. Same type of thing on U, like a lot of these Cathy Wood ARC type stocks came alive off the lows, made big percent gains, but they've been crushed. So would have to probably try to be a trader on this. I think I'd put that right about there. Technometer 39.68. Again, I mentioned Friday I was trying to do a little bit of buying in SPY, so you could have bought that earlier today. I think that probably will still try to work higher, but that one's got a lot of ground to make up. Hasta la vista, Barbie, what's up? So again, that's all I've got at the moment. You've got, what else here? Again, this is Ethereum chart. We've been trading it well. I do think we've completed a Springer backup, probably same type of thing on Bitcoin. So let's see if we can get a rally going here tomorrow. CPI in the morning. I think somebody asked, quick question, what did you buy now versus waiting? Why did I buy now? Good question. On stocks, I probably wouldn't do that, but I think crypto fell off today because maybe the BUSD news, and we fell down to some levels I just thought I had to jump in, and we're buying back after much higher sells. So that's kind of why I jumped on crypto today. And on the stocks, I nibbled on SPY Friday. Wanted to do more, but today's rally kept me on the sidelines. Worried about a CPI stock and do sell off tomorrow. If we do get that, I'm hoping crypto could hold up. Then maybe both things will move higher to the upside. So that's my thought. As usual, I'm going to run a couple commercials. I'm going to run the crypto Discord, patreon.com/learncrypto, $40 a month. That's a steal. You're welcome, Big House. So I'm going to run that. I'm going to run the PCG Crypto, where we manage crypto assets, 10,000 minimum, through trading APIs. We can only trade view manage. We can't withdraw or transfer. What up, Kenny? So couple commercials, and then maybe catch you tomorrow. Appreciate it.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100 plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.